The Maytag Atlantis gas dryer, though reliable, often faces heating issues. The primary culprits are a faulty igniter, gas coils or valve solenoids, a malfunctioning flame sensor, or a blocked vent system. We'll cover how to diagnose and fix each issue to get your dryer working again. The igniter is a glow bar that heats up to ignite the gas in the dryer. When the dryer starts a cycle, the igniter should glow bright orange, reaching temperatures of 1,800 to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit to light the gas. If the igniter isn't glowing orange when the dryer attempts to heat, it's likely failed. Common causes include carbon buildup on the surface or an electrical short in the wiring. To diagnose, use a multimeter to check for continuity across the igniter's terminals. If there's no continuity, the igniter is broken and needs replacement. Replacing a broken igniter is a simple DIY repair that costs under $20 for the part. Always disconnect power and gas before working on the dryer. Gas coils, or valve solenoids, are electromagnetic devices that control the gas valve in your dryer. These coils open when energized, allowing gas to flow for heating. If the coils become weak or stuck, gas won't flow, resulting in no heat cycles. This is a particularly common issue in Maytag Atlantis models from the early 2000s. To test the coils, use a multimeter to check for continuity. The resistance should be low, typically under 10 ohms. If there's no continuity or unusually high resistance, the coil needs replacement. Here's a detailed view of a gas solenoid coil, showing its construction. And this setup demonstrates how to functionally test the valve operation. Remember to always disconnect power from the dryer before performing any electrical tests to avoid safety hazards. A blocked dryer vent is often the overlooked cause of heating problems in Maytag Atlantis gas dryers. When lint, debris, or even nests obstruct the vent system, airflow becomes restricted. This forces the dryer to work harder, overheating components and triggering safety shutoffs that prevent the unit from heating properly. To fix a blocked vent, first disconnect the vent hose from the back of the dryer. Clean the entire vent system thoroughly, removing all accumulated lint and debris. Use a vacuum or brush to clear blockages from inside the dryer and along the ductwork. Next, check the outside vent termination for obstructions like bird nests, debris, or improper hood installation. Ensure the vent hood is clear and properly positioned to allow unrestricted exhaust. A clogged external vent can cause back pressure that mimics internal blockages. Regular maintenance is crucial. Annual vent cleaning and inspection can prevent up to 80% of heating-related problems in gas dryers. This simple preventive measure extends the life of your Maytag Atlantis and ensures safe, efficient operation. Simple fixes like igniter replacement and vent cleaning are DIY-friendly for most people. However, gas-related issues can be dangerous. If you're uncomfortable working with gas, call a professional. Faulty gas coils can potentially lead to gas leaks, as highlighted in case studies. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your Maytag Atlantis gas dryer running efficiently. Clean the lint filter after every load to ensure proper airflow and prevent overheating. Annually, clean the vent system to remove lint and debris that can restrict airflow and cause heating issues. Periodically inspect the igniter, flame sensor, and gas coils for signs of wear or buildup. These components are critical for safe operation. This preventive maintenance extends the dryer's lifespan and prevents costly repairs. Consider Maytag's extended parts availability until at least 2030 for these legacy models. Check if your Atlantis model, specifically MDG 7400A and similar units, was part of the 2025 recall due to faulty gas valve solenoids. The recall affects gas valve solenoids that can fail, preventing proper gas flow and heating. Contact Maytag for a free replacement if your model qualifies. While gas dryer ownership is declining due to energy efficiency trends, repairs for Atlantis models will remain relevant for the millions still in use. Consider retrofit kits and smart integration features from newer Maytag lines to extend the lifespan of your legacy Atlantis model.